We'll guide you through how to find recently watched videos on Facebook. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Facebook, go and store and save the videos you've recently watched. And so what we can do is go and find this list. For whatever reason you want to, you can go and look through the list, and if you wish, you can clear and delete it if you don't want the record to be there. So we'll guide you through this step by step. Make sure it's this full video. So to get started, you need to go to the bottom right or top right of Facebook, and you can go and find the menu button, and you can go and tap there. Now on the menu page, we need to go and scroll down, go and find the option for settings and privacy. Tap on it to go and expand it, and it will open up. And at the top, you want to go and press on settings. Now here we are. Now in settings, you need to go and scroll down as there's a setting we're looking for. So go and scroll down until you get to your activity. And in here, you need to go and find the option for your activity log. Your activity log is basically a log of all your different Facebook activity. There's so much to go through. So now we'll guide you through how you can go and find your recently watched videos, and they're in chronological order as well, by the way. So what you need to do is you need to go and expand Facebook activity, go and tap on it. And then what you need to do is you can find the option for posts, and you can go and press on the option manage posts like so. This will then go and load. Then what we can do is go and filter this just for videos we've recently watched. So you can press filters in the top left, and then you can go down and you can go and press on categories, and you want to go and find the option for videos you've watched. So you can go and tap there. And so these are videos you've recently watched. You can go and see the time date when you watched it. So at the top here, you can go and clear them all by clicking clear video watch history and confirm your decision. Or alternatively, you can go over to the right and you can press the three dots and you can go and press delete, and it'll then go and be removed from the list. You can scroll through here to go and see more as well. So that's it. If you found this useful and want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.